चॅनल एज्युकेशनल व्हिडिओज बाय दिलीप वाहने सर या चॅनलला शेअर करा, लाईक करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. The Apostrophe. This video is created by Shri Dilip Wahane sir. The apostrophe rule number 1. It shows something belongs. For example, columns hat belongs to columns. Sarah's shoes. These shoes belong to Sarah. As in earlier statement, we have seen columns hat and Sarah's shoes. Here, columns apostrophe s is added and Sarah's apostrophe s is there. Columns hat and Sarah's shoes. This is apostrophe yes. This is apostrophe yes, and this is also apostrophe yes. When the owner are in plural, all the boys toys, then we add this apostrophe after yes. Here we don't use apostrophe. No apostrophe for the cat cleans its paws. The man puts on his hat. The prize model was hers. The book are ours, not mine. Is this mess yours, John? I am playing for theirs too. In all above sentences, apostrophe is not added. Apostrophe rule 2. Use it to show letters are missing. Contractions. Some contractions. For example, cannot become can't. O is contracted. Are not become aren't. Does not become doesn't. Is not become isn't. It is become it's. Long form and contractions. I am. You are. He is his. We are. I would. You would. He would. Some contractions are used. They would. Was not, wasn't. I will. Contractions are there. You will. She will. They will. Do not, don't. Will not, won't. Have not, haven't. Could have. Contraction is there. Would have. I have. You have. It is, it has. Same. It plus contraction plus yes. We have. Is not, isn't. Must not, must not. Must have. Could not, couldn't. Would not, wouldn't. In this way, some words are contracted. In a verb, apostrophe we must not use. In verb, we don't use apostrophe. Apostrophe never used in a verb. He runs, she talks, it gets. This is wrong. We don't use apostrophe in verb. Apostrophe shows who or what owns the things. It shows contractions. Okay, these are two rules. First rule shows ownership and second rule shows contractions. Now we are going to see animated video.
Hi there! Have you met my friend? He's around here somewhere. He was here just a minute ago. Ah, there you are. This is an apostrophe. I think you've met him before. Apostrophes can be used to join two words together. Do plus not equals don't. I plus would equals I'd. But did you know an apostrophe can also show possession? Possession means something belongs to someone. This is Sarah. Sarah has a cat. This is Sarah's cat. This is Sophie. Sophie has some cash. This is Sophie's cash. This is Joe. Joe has a car. This is Joe's car. So, here is how to use an apostrophe to show possession. Who does the object belong to? There's Jim and his computer. This is Jim and his computer. When I add an apostrophe S, it becomes Jim's computer. Oh, there's Max and his burger. When I add an apostrophe S, it's Max's burger. This is my friend. My friend has pizza. This is my friend's pizza. This is the dog. The dog has a house. This is the dog's house. When a noun is plural, the apostrophe goes after the S. Friends plus house equals friends apostrophe house. These are my cousins. My cousins have a house. There is my cousin's house. They both live there. These are the dogs. The dogs have a house. This is the dog's house. Apostrophes can be used for contractions. Can, not, is can't. Should, have, is shoulda. I, am, is I. Apostrophes can also be used to show possession. This is the girl's shirt and the boy's hat. Now, can you use apostrophes correctly?
Questions and answers. Using apostrophe. We are going to use this apostrophe in these activities which are given in our notebook. It is given in page number 43. Using apostrophe, learning about language. Note that the words in A are all short forms of the words given in B. A column. Don't, B column, do not. Can't, B column, cannot. Won't, B column, will not. In A column we are going to say you will. In B column you will. You are, you are. You have. But fellows and lives stand for of a fellow and of life respectively. The sign apostrophe is called as apostrophe. It is in forms to show that some letters in the words have been dropped. The apostrophe is also used with yes in phrases like Mina's shoes, Mohan's ruler, a cat's paw, etc. Find at least 5 examples of each of a short form and noun plus is yes from the book. This is your activity. या लेसन से संबंधित क्वेश्चन अँड आन्सर्सची PDF तुम्हाला पुढच्या तासिकेला देण्यात येईल. थँक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस व्हिडिओ.